Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2024 Honda Ridgeline TrailSport in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 9-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 111018.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.